Yeah, I was trying to get the little sign and everything. The sign? Oh, the McDonald's sign. All right, man. Here we are. Mickey D's. They got no cookies. I used to love the sugar cookies. Sugar cookies? Yeah, oh yeah. Gotta get a sugar one all the time. Chicken, Big Mac. What do you think it says McChicken sandwich? Man, it's got pretty clean now.
Right here, 111. Right here.
Tristan, what's up? Looking at my headline. What's good, Tristan? What we order right here? Yeah. We got it right here, small. Dang. Probably do order right there. Chicken Big Mac, baby. Chicken Big Mac, baby. I'm gonna get a large Coke. Should we try anything else with it? The regular Big Mac? Nah, it's the regular chicken Big Mac. One. It's during the time, I haven't eaten yet. Yes, sir. Have you tried the chicken Big Mac yet? Tristan? Alright, not today. Not today. Today. Yeah, real quick. That's messed up. Oh, he has to donate. He's putting not today. You got it.
Calories. 1693.
Should have did it to go. Next time you go to McDonald's, gotta try it. It's only for a limited time. Limited time only. You didn't get a number, a receipt, or nothing? I said you got it because I'm online, but you gotta pay for it. That's fine. Grab a table tent and enter the code. Well, it's a table tent. 60.
Are you Jose?
Why are you showing the payment? Why are you showing the payment? Please have a seat. We will deliver your order to you. Oh, you did already? I did already. Oh. Yeah. You trying to sit at 55 over there in the front. You gotta sit on this side. No, you gotta sit on this side. Good job. Put it over there in the corner. So I better see what's more. It's gonna fall. Is the stand in the car? It's cool. Oh yeah, it's cool. Alright, about to try the chicken sandwich. It looks good. And I'm hungry right now, so I think it's gonna hit. But I'm hungry too. This place is kinda it's I never been inside here. It's a little smaller than I thought. 7-5 rookie. Marion Sharp.
7'5" rookie.
Yeah. Where he come from? Luca's new teammate.
Sharp.
Yeah.
Who's that? Luca's new teammate.
Yeah.
There's another 7'5" dude on this team now.
And they have Clay.
And Klay Thompson.
They're gonna be raw this
Winning
year.
championship.
They might win.
That's who they played in the championship this year, right? Mavs and the Celtics.
Celtics, yeah.
Yeah.
Damn. Who y'all think? Who y'all got for the NBA championship this year? They say the Celtics running it back, but nah, can't have that. But the sandwich better be good. I gotta get some sweet and sour sauce with it. You think it comes with mayo? It comes with its own, the regular
Big Mac sauce?
Big Mac sauce.
Hell no. I need like some sweet and sour sauce or something.
I like the Big Mac sauce.
Big Mac sauce with the chicken though? I don't know.
Yeah.
Hey, Tristan's talking to you.
What'd he say?
Tristan is talking to you.
What'd he say? Today I'm gonna let you drink Coke. I got a Coke.
Y'all be saying drink water.
60?
Yes, thank you.
I'll be back with the drinks, okay?
Thank you, thank you.
Did you need any sauce?
Sweet and sour sauce, please. Can I get 2?
Yeah.
Is it stand in the car?
Hmm?
Is it stand in the car?
Yeah, it is. You brought it, right?
Take it off the tray. Put it like right here.
I'm just hungry, man.
Between the tray or something.
Yeah, I think Shay put the tray on.
Alright, we just got our food.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have you ever tried the sandwich?
No, not yet, but I heard it's like a big chicken nugget, really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see how it is.
Yeah.
Chicken nugget.
Not a good way to describe it. Is it?
Mm-hmm. Still need something a little stronger.
We fried the butter. Working on it.
Alright, I think we okay.
Okay.
Alright. Looks like it's the Big Mac sauce on it. I'm gonna get some sweet and sour.
This cheese
Yeah, it has cheese on it
is
too.
like not even melted. I'm sorry. It looks like straight out of the refrigerator.
Is that jalapenos or pickles? Pickles.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, first bite was cool. We tried with some sweet and sour.
I'm messing with fries up. See what I'm talking about with the cheese though? It's like straight, but it's cool.
Mhm.
I'm not gonna complain. Ooh. It's good. It's like a big
I mess
chicken
with it.
nugget.
I like it with the sweet and sour sauce though. I see what she said was like a big chicken nugget. Like the chicken is actually pretty good too. By itself. It's literally exactly a Big Mac, but just chicken instead of the patty, the meat.
Hey, this mug fire.
Yeah.
This is fire.
The double McChicken. I think the chicken tastes a little different than a double McChicken. I mean, than the McChicken, but it is basically double McChicken with the Big Mac sauce. That mug slid out the whole burger. I gotta hold it when I bite it. It's a little all over the place.
This mug fire. No cap. Speed said it was an 8 out of 10.
I need more napkins. Yeah, this mug busting.
It's at least an 8.5, 9.
It's busting. My hand's so close to the screen.
Might be a 9. This might be a 9, no cap.
She worked here, and she said it looked like a big chicken nugget. She was kind of right. You probably seen how it was made. Even
Look at that,
it looks like a chicken nugget.
It does. Looks crispy though.
Looks
Nice and
like
crispy.
a chicken nugget, not like a
I thought it was a bad thing, yeah. But it's actually a good thing. We rip this cheese off, man. Double
Yeah,
cheese.
cheese need to be cooked more for show.
And that's pretty much it.
It need to be a little melted. That mug is like straight out the refrigerator. It should not have its shape like a cheese shape. It should be melted. Or melting.
Yeah.
Passing my drink. Put it right here. Yeah, man. Overall, this mug pretty good. It's busting right now. Get the sweet and sour sauce.
I didn't even use no. I didn't use no sweet and sour sauce. It was fire. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10.
9.
9 out of 10.
Let me finish it.
It was fire. No sweet and sour sauce needed. I left everything on it.
He said
Fire.
it doesn't go good with the sweet and sour sauce. I think it does. It adds a better taste. But
Change your profile to what?
It's really good though. The chicken is good.
I know we be working out, but we not a health page. Want to eat McDonald's? Eat McDonald's. Stay in the gym. Dude was talking about P. Diddy. He's on trial right now, so everything he's been tried for, he's guilty for, innocent until proven guilty. That's what the law is. I'm not defending them, no way. Not defending them in no way, shape, or form. I'm not even following it really, but it's crazy. Some people say, what if he is innocent though?
I'm gonna give that an 8.
Give it an 8.
Give it an 8.
It was kind of a lot, but it was good though. It was there.
Could have been a 9. Even maybe a 9.5 if the cheese was melted, but cheese wasn't even melted.
You're right. But the cheese wasn't melted, and it still was pretty good.
It was pretty good though. Like first bite, it was busted for sure.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty good. We just went to Venice Beach today.
Yeah.
Did a video. Oh, okay. I like it. I like it.
Yeah. Cool. Cool. But yes, no more Cokes. You're right. Took my last Coke. Back to the water. But that meal was fire, man. I would recommend it. Definitely recommend it. Recommendable.
Yeah, go ahead and try to make chicken Big Mac.
Yeah, yes, you get
Pretty
more
good.
Coke. I'm nice and full. I'm good.
You kill yours. You ate that fast as hell.
I know.
Big Mac, Big Mac. Appreciate the likes. Appreciate the likes. Wish we could extend it. Extend the video.
Me too.
All right. I'm ready to go.
Me too.
Let's go home.
Congrats, Kai. Fire meal.
Imagine being able to get your
Making
own
everybody big bags.
McDonald's meal.
Even though he's making everybody big bags. Everybody fat. Does he get paid from this or just promo? Just promo.
He gets paid. I don't know if he gets a percentage of every burger, but he gets paid, yeah.
Alright. 8 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
So check out the vid if you want to. Pretty dope.
Alright, McDonald's. Till next time.
Pretty sick car.
That was a cool little meal. I mean, hey, why not try it? I actually mess with Kai. A lot of people be having meals and stuff. I don't really mess with them like that. Who else had a meal? I think there's a Cardi B meal. Like, and I don't hate Cardi B, but I wouldn't get a Cardi B meal. I wouldn't go to get a Cardi B meal.
You would what?
I said I actually messed with Kai, so I actually would go out and go get this.
Cardi B had a meal too?
Yeah. I mess with Cardi B. I like Cardi B, but I'm not gonna go to McDonald's to go get a Cardi B.
I didn't even know she had a meal.
Pretty sure she did. I had no clue. Who else had a meal deal? Like Ice Spice?
I probably had like a Wendy's meal deal or something.
I think it's been a lot of females. But it was pretty good. Wanted to test it out for the YouTube. He's a streamer. We're a streamer. We're on the same, path. Might line up, link up one day. Who knows? But anyways, appreciate y'all for watching this. We might put this on as a video so we could just save it right there. Bam, video. Edit it a little bit. Actually, we won't edit it. But appreciate y'all, man. We're gonna be back in the gym.
Throw it away.
I actually like Coke. I've been drinking burning the
insides.
I actually like it now. But I'm gonna stop drinking it. Yeah, we're gonna call it a day. We're gonna be back in the gym tomorrow though. So y'all stay tuned. We got videos coming soon. Content coming consistently. Let's get it, man. Stay tuned.
Y'all might need to
with
start
it.
turning those
Stay
post
with it.
notifications on so y'all can hear that ring, hear that bell,
You
get
get
that
more
noti.
Cokes. I don't want more Cokes anymore.
Yeah, I'm good on the Coke, seriously, but I'm gonna get back to that water.
Yeah.
I feel,
Good old H2O.
yeah. This doesn't quench my thirst. It's good, like a little sweet, whatever, but it's not like, don't quench my thirst.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
We're gonna see y'all tomorrow. Tomorrow's Sunday.
Tomorrow Sunday, we're gonna be in the gym. Post notifications, baby. Yes, sir. Put that post notifications on.
Yeah.
The other person in here too. We
Big
be
fan.
live every day. We want someone to watch. The 2K twins will save the day. To the rescue. All right, we out of here, man.
All right, Tristan, have a good one.
Have a good
All
night.
right.
Peace.
Thanks for the like.
Peace, gang.